Space Dream Consciousness Theory, a conceptual research story on the origin of space. For decades, the Big Bang Theory has been the most accepted scientific model explaining the evolution of our universe. It describes how the universe expanded, how galaxies formed, and how time itself began. But there is one fundamental question it does not answer. How did space itself originate? Because every physical object requires space to exist, the idea of a pre-spatial singularity raises a deep conceptual problem. If space did not exist, where did that singularity exist? And without space, how could expansion even occur? These questions do not indicate a failure of science, but rather the boundary where physical explanation ends. Modern cosmology explains expansion, not the birth of space itself. In all observable systems, we see a clear hierarchy. Matter reduces to atoms. Atoms reduce to subatomic particles. Energy reduces to fields. Yet space itself has no identified foundational base. Even quantum vacuum models exist within space, not before it. Einstein's theory of relativity shows us that time is inseparable from space. Without space, time loses all operational meaning. This suggests that space and time may not be fundamental, but emergent. Now consider a simple human experience. During deep sleep, there is no awareness of space, no awareness of time, yet existence continues uninterrupted. This suggests that existence does not depend on space-time awareness. Now consider dreams. During dreams, the brain creates internal space, a flow of time, and causal events. Even without physical space, the experience feels completely real. If individual consciousness can generate experiential space in dreams, then it is reasonable to ask, could cosmic-scale consciousness generate physical space itself? From this idea emerges the space dream consciousness theory. This theory proposes 4 core principles. First, consciousness is fundamental and irreducible. Second, space emerges as an experiential field within consciousness. Third, time arises relationally with space. And fourth, the Big Bang was not a physical explosion, but the expansion of experiential space. This perspective does not reject modern science. It complements it by addressing the pre-physical conditions where measurement is currently impossible. Interestingly, this view aligns with non-dual philosophies such as Advaita Vedanta,